Hello everybody and welcome to my kitchen. Today we're going to learn about kitchen vocabulary words. Part of ELL or ESL is to teach our students about vocabulary at school, but also vocabulary at home, which can be tricky when we can't just take them to our houses and explain all the different things that are in our kitchen. So I'm going to share with you some free vocabulary cards and share some fun games that you can play with your students. So here are some of the vocabulary words that I will include for you. So you can just print them out and then you can use it and play with it like at your table. To start off, I simply like to review the vocabulary words. So like kitchen, and children can repeat after me. Once you've reviewed the words, and it's fun to play a game, I would not have all of these words. Let me take 3 of them off. 6 words is a great start. So you might play what is missing. So that's one of the students' favorite. Stove, oven. Either one is correct. So stove is the top part, the oven's what you would cook. Things inside. Fridge, bowl, spoon, and fork. Okay, so no peeking. What is missing? Raise your hand. And if you said stove or oven, then you are correct. Now it's your turn to be it. And so the child who answered the question correctly is now it. So now I'll close my eyes as well, and that child gets to take away an item. And then they'll raise their hands. I always encourage them to pick someone who hasn't had a turn yet. And then they can answer spoon, that's correct, and then continue. Another fun game you could play with the cards is memory. This time you would have to make doubles of them all, put them face down, and then you flip the card over. So if I flipped a fridge and a spoon, well, that's not the same. Okay, so the next person goes. So if they flipped a fridge and a fridge, then they get to keep the card and go again. For game number 3, you could play I am thinking of. So I am thinking of something that will keep your food cold. And the child can respond, I think it's the fridge. And I would say yes, because you can keep food cold in the fridge. I'm thinking of something that you need to cook your food. And so then the only thing that would work would be the stove or oven. And I'm thinking of something I use. It's a utensil that I use to eat soup with. And then they can answer spoon and so forth. So try these games with your class. Let me know in the comments below what you think. Bye for now.